There are a million different ways to find your perfect match today. It's all about compatibility. Some prefer loud and aggressive. And some prefer the strong, silent type. Some are attracted to what's on the outside, while others are focused on the interior. Me, call me crazy, but I want all of that and more. That's why I found my perfect match in the all-new 2020 Series Gran Coupe. Attractive, sporty, agile, with 228 horsepower and 4.7 second 0-60. She keeps up my fast-paced lifestyle. With standard dynamic cruise control, illuminated trim, and optional remote engine start, she's exciting, but she also makes me feel safe with standard active blind spot protection and lane departure warning. At a starting MSRP of $37,500, my 2 Series Gran Coupe gives me everything and more. I'm taking her out on the town tonight.